मेरे से आधा घंटा ज़्यादा सोया हूँ।
Start with, we have section planned simultaneously for section 2 and section 1, right? So one of the sections will go to the classroom here, while the other will take a tour of this entire facility, right? Within this facility, me, my team, Akshit, Shardul and Manisha, right? They will take you around. So this is a research and innovation park of IIT Delhi, which was set up by the government of India, right? So this was set up in 2017 through the funding provided by Department of Science and Technology. So most of the infrastructure which you will see here would be relevant to technology-based innovations and startups, right? So we have corporates working from here, clients like Microsoft, TCS, Wipro, HCL, and also PSUs like DRDO, Defense Organization of India. And also we have many labs which you will see while touring, which are used by these corporates and by the startups to create their products.
To the one at the back, right? Okay, so this is one of the main places where startups offices are, right? We have Zero Track. It is a drone parts manufacturing startup, right? They print these chips and they access manufacturing of these chips, right? So this is one of the most important drone startups that we have. So let's, I think, approach startups are doing, right? So this is Sanrachna, and that is the name of the startup. And
Private Limited. Behind structure health monitoring of the civil infrastructure using the sensor technology. Using the sensor technology, we get the sensors, we get the data. After that, we analysis that data. Basically, after the analysis, we get the current condition of the structure health. Means how much damage the structure currently having, maybe due to earthquake or life deterioration.
Are kind of majorly developed in India through our set of our companies. So from electrical design to mechanical design, we are
working in EVs, the motors.
so most of the motors in EVs are like you have seen an engine. It's fitted inside the car, and there are axles that go to the wheels.
Yeah.
That's the same way an electric motor is also placed in a vehicle, but there are few technologies like, let's say this is a wheel, okay? In this case, there is a motor inside which is directly fitted to the wheel. You can't do that with the engine, right? Engine cannot be fitted directly in the wheel, but in the case of electric motor, there you have a freedom because electric motors are small and agile, so they can directly be fitted into the wheel, which will create space for more battery space and more boot space. So that is good for customers.
Incubated here, so they can basically use this lab for their prototyping. This is one of our startup who is working on a wireless charging gas dynamic. So have you met them?
Yeah.
So basically this is two device system. This is their device. This is embedded under the vehicle. You can see this is their system, and this is embedded under the ground. So basically they are using electro resonance to convert electricity from one to another. So basically they have their app system also. So you simply park your car over there, and they have their app system. Just simply click on the app, and it will get automatic charges. So basically they are using wireless charging, which is 30% faster than the compared plug charger. And also right now they are working on a dynamic, but in future right now they are working on static, but in future they have a plan for a dynamic also.
so someone asked if the dynamic has some like with testing chemical combinations that help build those medicines, right? Others will help introduce you to the Bioness lab a little more. But you can see that you have these facilities where people can prototype or they can mix those chemicals, etc. So this is ours. Yeah. Did anyone get that at the back? Do you have any questions related to the biolab, the biomedical lab? Yeah.
What type of research is currently being conducted right now?
So it is a very diverse area. So right now we have 7 startups right now here. So 5 of them are in the textile research. One is in the recombinant proteins. So basically they are trying to develop the proteins from the E. coli. That is inclusion. So earlier what happened in E. coli when you have the, are you from this background or from the diverse background?
They have commerce background. I think
Okay,
most of
all
you
right.
have commerce.
Then I'll into a benefit for us. So most of the proteins like
You can get more ideas about the entire facility and how can you best explore and utilize it. Sound good?
Yes.
Over to you.
Hi guys, I'm Akshit Gupta. I'm a senior lead here in the investments department. I handle investor relations, investments, exits, and basically guiding startups that are part of the accelerator portfolio to navigate the startup ecosystem.
FIIT done, sorry FTT, FITT. अभी हम अलग लोकेशन पे जा रहे हैं.
IIT Roorkee. Yeah. So over to you.
Thank you and good afternoon everybody. Sorry I got in late, got stuck in traffic and then there was a parking issue here. So thank you so much for being here and maybe I'll quickly talk a little about my journey. I know we are short in time. We have half an hour, 30 minutes. Okay. So basically I did my undergrad in the US at Illinois Tech. I did it in electrical engineering. And then I worked for a few years as a software engineer.
हमारा लेक्चर चल रहा है और हम बाहर घूम रहे हैं. क्यों? तेरे को शर्म कर डिलीट कर. अब भी क्या, अब भी डिलीट कर. ओके. मैंने कुछ नहीं बस कैंपस टूर ले रहे हैं बस, क्योंकि हमें क्लास लेक्चर में कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. मैंने ब्लिंकिट से ऑर्डर किया था, वो नीचे लेने के लिए आए और एक कैंपस टूर ले रहे और बक्चरी ऑन टॉप. ओके गाइस, लुक एट IIT दिल्ली का वन ऑफ दोज कैंपस. जंगल में पढ़ा रहे बच्चों को. जंगल में मंगल भाई. अभी हम निकल गए हैं IIT दिल्ली से क्योंकि हमारा क्लास हेडिंग बैक टू आवर accommodation.